Pating Reviews presents Michelangelo Air Fryer Lid, 8-in-1 modes. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price, plus a $10 discount coupon. Stop looking and just buy it. Quality product. I love this thing. I am beyond pleased. I live in a small space and I love to cook. That sometimes poses a problem. I was torn between getting an Instant Pot or an air fryer. I settled on the Instant Pot and I use it daily. But there are just some things that taste better fried or baked. When I found this, I was excited. Very little space was lost and I feel like I have gained a whole other appliance. Plus, not having to remove food from the Instant Pot to the oven for a broil. Win. Air Fryer Lid sits perfectly atop my 6 quarts Instant Pot. I like the easy presets and I love the fact I can see my food cooking. It doesn't expel much heat. It comes with the gadgets you need. Typically they would be sold separately. I love this product all the way to the plug that comes with a Velcro strap instead of that awful black wire tie. Excellent quality and attention to detail makes me a well-satisfied customer who will order more products without hesitation. Here's a bit more information about this air fryer lid. First of all, if you go on Amazon today and apply a $10 coupon to the purchase, you'll get it for $10 less for free. This Michelangelo Air Fryer Lid features a new function to turn your electric pressure cooker into an air fryer. Designed with 8 preset air fry cooking modes, this air fryer lid for Instant Pot is easy to cook your delicious meals with one-touch smart program. 8 preset modes design of the air fryer for Instant Pot helps you prepare meals more quickly. Fries, steak, chicken, shrimp, pizza, egg tart, sweet potato, and fish. Adopts new technology of cooking meals by 360-degree rapid air circulation. Our air fryer lid gives your meals a crispy and golden finish that tastes exactly like deep fry, but with only a few drops of oil. We never stop advancing the culinary art, and this is a big step towards the perfect balance of healthy yet delicious. This air fryer lid for Instant Pot uses high-speed air circulation for all-around cooking and frying, which reduces 95% less oil and fat than traditional oil deep frying. Advanced safety protection and ETL approved. Accessories include air fryer lid, recipe book, deep basket steam rack, food clip, silicone pad, good for large capacity air frying and cooking. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.